YouTube. ¿Qué pasa? Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back everyone to a new Bitcoin price update. Today I want to discuss the price action. What happened in the last 48 hours? Is there something interesting that could be preventing us from a loss or making some money? So check the video out, guys. What's up everyone, assalamu alaikum. So let's jump into the charts immediately. So today I want to discuss some RSI and also some price action because what happened in the 24 hours, 48 hours? Did we see something interesting? Are the bulls are telling us something? Are the bears telling us something? So let's dive directly into it. Bitcoin made this little pumpy, snumpy, humpy right here, where probably this little pump makes everyone bullish again. You know, it's quite funny how people are so mentally weak because they can't stay objective and they start being bullish all over again. For me, what we are seeing right now is very simple. We're just gonna zoom out a little bit. Quick, very quick. We saw this top 31k. Okay, we saw this retest 32k. And then we saw the drop. Okay, retesting 2 times right now this 25k as support. But what does that mean? Is it bullish? Is the bear market in or out? So for us it's very simple. We got 32k as a new resistance level, guys. Okay, that means we are not enabled to trigger the bull market. We need to break above 32k for Bitcoin. If not, it's gonna just stay choppy. And we told in our previous videos that this area where we're right in, after this top right here, we are now in the indecision phase, in the uncertainty phase, and you name it, guys. So let's dive into the question that I asked in the beginning. What are the bulls and the bears telling us in the past 48 hours? In our previous video, we stated that this area of 25k is an interesting support area. Okay, you need to buy because you need to respect the support. It's very simple. Then we saw Bitcoin printing this channel down, this falling wedge down, and if it breaks, you're gonna see maybe a nice bump. You know, yeah, that's how we played it, alhamdulillah. So right now we saw the small bump right here, this beautiful mini falling wedge. Let me zoom in a little bit, let me drag this, and we saw the pump. Okay, and not only that, Bitcoin broke this blue resistance level here. You see that? Let me draw it a little bit red so you can see it better. This blue resistance level has been broken, retest right here, and then it went up. But the bulls somehow could not even break the 28k, the 29k, as it was previous support in this phase right here. Could not even break this level back again. So that bears some concerns, guys. And also economically, the job reports, they didn't so well. People are still shaking to the side of a recession. But for us as traders, you know, we just need to consider that a little bit as fundamental analysis, but you're just gonna stay focused on what the chart is telling us. So we saw this retest of this green zone as support. We saw a support to resistance flip. For us, a clear indication that the bulls are weak. And we saw also a coexistence resistance here with the yellow channel right here. This yellow bearish channel, as we can say, it's a bear flag, but never mind. You know, we're gonna just keep it to a channel, can break up or down, and it coexistence here it coexisted here as resistance again. You know what I mean? It's clear. It's very clear here. So for us, we need to stay in the camp that a lower high is still in play. That's it. And if we look at the RSI, guys, and I'm gonna look at it in another way because a lot of people use it to, check any divergences and stuff like that. So if we take this period right here, from this drop here, this low, this period here, we are seeing a very interesting pattern, and maybe you can see it already. If not, let me draw it for you. We see a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. This bearish pattern indicates that the strength of the buyers are not so amazing at all. So indication gives us a clear data that the bears are still in control, and we gonna see most likely a drop. And I don't know how it will exactly play, of course, because I don't know what the future will give, but I base my decisions on analysis on current data. So maybe we can see certain retest of the 70 level in the RSI, go back, retest this as support. If not, we're gonna see a revisit of this interesting 20 level in the RSI. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. A quick, simple analysis that is on point. I don't want to drag you into all deeper analysis. Just keep it simple. What are the bulls are doing? What are the bears are doing? Well, the answer is quite clear. Flip of support to resistance, then a second retest. Could not manage break further. So for us, we're gonna stay bearish, guys. Good zone to liquidate some altcoins if you didn't yet. And yeah, you need to think as market makers. So how can we make money? Well, I saw on the high block capital liquidations heat map that there is a lot of stop losses around that 27k. Let me give it to you here. This level, a lot of positions are open here. So the most likely, in my opinion, is a revisit of maybe this green box again, creating a higher high on the short term, making everyone bullish, and then revisit the 27k again. That's it for today. Thank you very much indeed. Please subscribe, like, comment in the chat, and hope you see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.